Sceptre monitor glitching manifests in several distinct ways that users can easily identify. Understanding these symptoms is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Here we see a normal Sceptre monitor displaying a clear, stable image without any visual artifacts or distortions. In contrast, this monitor shows horizontal lines across the screen, one of the most common types of Sceptre monitor glitching that users report. Sceptre monitor glitching typically appears in four main forms. Screen flickering involves rapid brightness fluctuations. Display lines show horizontal or vertical artifacts. Color issues include wrong reproduction or pixelation. Resolution problems cause automatic changes or scaling issues. These glitching issues are frequently reported across various Sceptre model lines, particularly the E24, C24G, and U27 series monitors. Research shows that cable connectivity problems account for 40% of Sceptre monitor glitching cases. Graphics driver conflicts cause 30%, refresh rate mismatches 15%, power supply problems 10%, and hardware defects only 5%. Refresh rate mismatches, as shown here with different monitor refresh rates, can create visual artifacts and contribute to the perception of glitching or stuttering displays. Understanding these glitch patterns helps identify the root cause. Most Sceptre monitor issues stem from software conflicts rather than hardware failures, making them highly treatable through proper troubleshooting methods. The first step in fixing monitor glitches is inspecting your cables. Damaged HDMI or DisplayPort cables are responsible for 40% of all display issues. Next, try different ports on both your monitor and graphics card. This simple step can resolve connection issues caused by faulty ports. Graphics driver conflicts cause 30% of monitor glitching issues. Use Display Driver Uninstaller or DDU for a clean driver installation. Refresh rate mismatches cause 15% of display problems. Adjust your monitor's refresh rate to match its native setting through both the monitor menu and Windows settings. If problems persist, perform a factory reset through your monitor's on-screen display menu. This restores all settings to their default values. For USB-C connections, be aware of potential flickering issues. Gaming monitors may benefit from custom refresh rates set slightly below the maximum, such as 143 Hz instead of 144 Hz.